Hey internet, I got another project. So the other one's in the garage. This one just came home and it's a Surveyor. Take you on a tour. Just a quick one because this is amazing. This is a fiberglass shell popped onto a truck bed, and it's in pretty good condition for what it is.
Yeah, 69.
So, start back here. We have a shower toilet. Bath, sink. I'll get this in better light with pictures too. There's a little vanity in here. And then this side, closet space. Heater. I'm assuming storage compartments under here, but the wood, everything is pretty good. Oh, drawers.
Or pop downs, I should say.
Okay. Whoop.
Hey, newspaper.
Over here, we got stove, oven, storage, refrigerator, sink. Some nice decoration.
I like how much counter space there is.
It's a huge counter.
It's a huge room.
It's pretty decent.
As far as camper conversions go, there's a lot of room in there.
This is so great for the 60s. I love this. This is better than today's work. Simple. There. We have all of our battery goes there just like normal on the A100s. We got electric.
It is really soft in that area where the water's been driven.
Oh yeah, this step. It has a little step that's leaking from here. Not a problem. Looking at it, it looks like it's not attached to the ceiling. So this whole section here can come off, and then this won't be drooping anymore. Have to cut it probably along here somehow.
Yeah, box time.
Somehow, because this is all a single piece too.
Yeah, it's like one.
It's all one piece. And then we have our sleeper space up here.
Or storage.
Or storage, yeah, both.
Because I'm
Why not both?
Pretty
And then we
sure,
got, oh, what?
So I'm pretty sure, so you have the couch here, it can act as a bed. But if you look where you're standing at, right here, these are on each side.
Oh, yeah.
So you can make this a giant, like,
That's
twin
where that
bed.
comes in. Yeah. So, of course, our dog house. These chairs are so nice. They are so nice.
I'll go open up the driver door.
Okay. We have that headrest. I'm not even sure what people use that for. But it's such a long rest. Is that a headrest? A head bumper? What happens there?
What?
With the bar?
The bar? It's so you can put your
Armrest.
It's an armrest.
Oh, because that's what I'm doing. Can you
And
move the filter?
That vinyl stuff's in good condition.
We have this wood panel here. It's particle board. And it...
The doors still have their safety straps. They don't open too far.
Oh yeah, look at the door, guys. Look at
vinyl's
the door.
still good.
Look at the door. And then in the thing, there's hardly any rust in that footstep.
Because of the overhang of the camper.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look at the seat.
It's a newer seat, obviously, but it's still...
It was redone. I don't know about newer, but it's nice.
Well, it was last registered in 01, so.
Sure, but I think that's original. I'll have to do more research.
Excuse me.
Oh, and the finale, the motor that still runs.
Put some gas in the
You
car
guys.
and it cranked and started.
You guys, this is so fun.
Oh, I see where the mice got their house fixings at.
Sure. So, all original stuff here. All original stuff,
The
guys.
steering wheel's not even cracked like the
The horn.
like this is normally cracked due to age, but this one's not even.
Ah, oh, sun damage. I think this roof leak here is not the cause of the bow. I think it was from that hot summer we had that melted everything in Oregon and Washington.
Because the door seals on the passenger door.
Yeah.
Get a picture of it later.
Where's the seal?
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, that's from a hot summer we had here.
And it still has the steel or chrome fancy racing.
Oh, take them around, show them the tires, how huge they are.
Alrighty. It's got the oversized rear tires. I thought it had dualies when we bought it because of how deep the hub is. But they're oversized, big old tires. And as body lines go, obviously the fiberglass is straight.
Oh, let me
But-
show underneath.
Oh, okay.
So, here is where they cut it at the bed line, and then there's the wood that it's sitting, the whole shell is sitting on. But yeah, so if this shell fell off, this would be a flatbed truck. Oh no, sounds kind of fun. Oh, we gotta find out what this is. If anybody knows what this is, let me know in the comments. Because you can see inside the camper, it's not... Maybe it's a gas?
I think it's an auxiliary fuel tank.
Okay. Let me know. If you know, let me know. So, we're gonna get to pressure washing. And... Oh, yeah. There's more. Don't put gas in there. That's the water tank. I'm gonna don't put gas in there too. Like a sign. All of this. I don't think it's been in an accident. Nobody's been using it as a bumper car.
No, even the amber turn signals are still good.
We got our lights, we got our Dodge emblem. Still so beautiful. I mean, sure, we got a cracked windshield, but that's flat glass.
I think we have spares.
And yeah, there's spares.
Show me new leveling jacks on front of the car.
Oh, and yeah, it comes with the leveling jacks. Look at that guy. There's one there. There's one there. They thought of everything for this. Good job. What's the other one I wanted to show you? There was something else back here. Oh, the poop! The poop tube! We got a poop tube cover storage unit right there. Yeah. So, good job, Jensen Marine Corp. Thank you for this beautiful beast. Oh, the rain gutters. Look at how nice that is. Those rain gutters have no rust. That's just not fair. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.